This is the moment that drawing becomes real. Same shape, different word. I take my time here. Each piece matters. There is something meditative about handwork. Your hands know what to do, even when your head doesn't. Every piece has its place. I just have to trust the pattern. I always cut a little slowly here, like I am making a promise. I've done this many times and it still feels a little like a mystery. Paper to fabric, the same lines, but now they have texture and weight. There is something meditative about handwork. Slowly something with a shape starts to appear. Not a creature yet, almost. Sewing is where I stop thinking and just follow the line. The face is always last. Until the face, it could be anything. A few stitches and suddenly they are looking back at me. This is my favorite moment, when they get their expression and I finally know who they are. Every whimsy carries a mark. This one chose blue flower. A flower right between the eyes, like a tiny window into who they are. I never planned the face completely, I let it happen. Once the face is done, they have a name somewhere. I just haven't found it yet. Every stitch holds something together. This part is quiet. Just the needle, the thread, and whatever is becoming. At some point, it stops being fabric and starts being a body. That's part 2. The body is done and the face found its expression. Next time, the details that make them truly theirs: horns, charms, and a little magic. If you are still here, you already know what to do.